Continuous data protection and file restore. In this video, I will demonstrate how easy it is to achieve continuous data protection in HPE Connected MX, our mobile information management solution. I will also show you how your end users view different versions of backed up files and recover the files they want. Connected MX backs up the files in the Documents folder based on the backup policies set by the administrator. Here, I can add more folders to back up. To do this, I right-click on a folder, go to Connected MX and click on Add to Backup. As Connected MX supports continuous data protection, all folders and files are backed up in real time, meaning as soon as they are saved or added to the backup list, the backup process is initiated immediately. Now I can log into my Connected MX web account and view the new folder and the files under it. Here you can see the file is already backed up. I can see the folder and the files on my smartphone too. Now I will make some changes to the file and save it. After saving the file, the new copy of the file is immediately backed up in the cloud. Why? Continuous data protection. As you can see on my web account, the latest copy is already backed up. Connected MX creates versions automatically. You can see different versions of the files now. You can open and view every version of the file saved. By clicking on the File Details option, you can see the versions and the status of the file and whether it is still active or deleted. Suppose you need to restore one of the previous versions of the file. Select that version, click Restore, and add the file to the Restore queue. You can go to the Restore tab and perform on-demand restore. Now that I have restored the previous version of the file, I can go back to my folder to see that it is restored successfully. With HPE Connected MX, you get continuous data protection, so you can feel confident that your endpoint data is secure at all times. And with end users able to restore deleted or modified files without the intervention of IT, you can reduce the burden of your IT support team.